Now, let's continue with our broadcast. Now, messages of condolence have continued to pour in for the late Lizzie Wanyoike, the founder of the Nairobi Institute of Business Studies. Students, teachers and family have praised her as a dedicated teacher who always embraced education. The late Lizzie Wanyoike passed away on Sunday last week.
In this office of the late Lizzie Wanyoike, this clock is a symbol of the hard work she put in day and night to bring joy and happiness to the community. But now, following her death, the loneliness in this office propels sadness for the staff at the Nairobi Institute of Business Studies and for those who benefited from her kindness. For Lizzie, her personality did not give her the chance to let anyone suffer. The late Lizzie made many students smile by sponsoring them academically.
She's a loving mom. She understood me and she agreed to be sponsoring me partially. So she has been paying my fee from last year, March, to this moment, and she has been paying half of my fee. And I want to believe that God will pick me from there. And so, yes, I've been a beneficiary from her labor and from her work that she has been doing.
The first time I met her, actually I felt like I've met my mom.
Madam was an inspiration to me, and me joining here, I joined because I could listen to her, the way she was encouraging students, saying everything is possible and you can do anything that you want in this life.
Jeremiah Munene is the Chief Academic Affairs at NIBS College. He says Lizzie had a positive bond with her staff and students.
She has empowered everybody. She also listens to the many challenges that staff members face. Many of us have approached her for soft loans, which at the time she even forgot that she had given you a loan. Still, on the staff, she has been part and parcel of the NIBS welfare endeavors, where anytime a NIBS staff is bereaved, maybe is sick, maybe there is a wedding or other ceremonies, she always contributes, and her contribution is so conspicuous.
Her family eulogized her as a God-fearing and kind-hearted woman. Sylvia, her sister, says she remembers the years they sat and chatted with Lizzie at the young age.
We have lost somebody very special, very, very special. But we are now celebrating her. Now, when she grew up, it was like, if you want to do some business or want to start something, me even, I'm slightly older than her. If I want to do some businesses, I'll find out first of all, is there another business like here, around here? Me, when I see somebody, there is, for example, somebody has put some salon there, and another one, that one I'm not touching. She will say, oh, good. Here I'm going to put it in the middle now of these three people.
She was a timekeeper, loving and hardworking. Lizzie could not let any child miss school. Trofena, her personal assistant, says the late was ready at any time to help and guide not only the students, but also members of the community.
What mostly startled me is that she helped people she never knew. She educated children that she never met. Sometimes she could send us to go and see those children because she can't be everywhere. Then she was very kind because she didn't not only sponsor the NIBS students, she sponsored even children in high school, whichever high school, and also children in primary school, and she even sponsored students from university.
The late Lizzie passed away on Sunday last week and will be buried on Tuesday.
Now,